Hello, welcome to the Braes High School online Parents Evening tutorial. First of all, on your device you need to go onto your browser and type in https://braes.schoolcloud.co.uk. You will then be taken to this page where you enter your details and also your child's details. Make sure with the school office that your details are up to date to be able to log into your account. Once you have logged in, click on the date of the Parents' Night to continue booking your appointments. Here you have the option to automatically book your appointments, or you can manually book them in yourself. If you've chosen the automatic appointment, please select your availability of time by dragging along the button to which time you're able to attend appointments. Select your child's teachers that you wish to have appointments with and then click the button Generate Appointments. As you can see here, the system has automatically created your appointments. Down the left hand side you will see the times for these appointments. If you're happy with them, go ahead, press Accept Appointments and then you're booked in. If you would like to see what it looks like to manually do it yourself, again select the teachers, continue to book appointments, and then you can then choose on the screen which times you would like to see each teacher. Once you have your bookings, you then have the option to invite a second parent or guardian to your appointments. You click on the tab, enter their name, their email, and then anyone with access to that email will be able to join the call. You then need to tick the box that you give consent for the other parent or guardian to join and then send your invite. Before your first appointment, you'll be asked to check if your microphone, speakers and your camera are working. You have the option to have your camera on or off during these calls. Before your appointment starts, you'll be taken to this grey page where you'll see there's a countdown telling you how long it is until your appointment starts. You get the option to start the appointment by clicking the blue button. When your appointment starts, you'll have a blue tab at the top of the page telling you how much time is remaining. It will then give you a warning by going amber and then red when the appointment's about to end. Often, you will find that your appointments are one after the other. So it gives you the option to start again, and the next teacher should then be ready waiting for you. If for any reason you happen to get disconnected, you press the green phone button to reconnect into the call. I hope this video has been helpful and give you an insight to what the Parents' Evening appointments look like online. Remember, it's up to you whether you have your camera on or off. Thanks for watching, and any other questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch.